Welcome to Grammar Practice Free English Course Online 2. Today's grammar points: long negative form of the verb to be and short negative form of the verb to be. The verb to be in the negative form. 1. The long negative form of the verb to be. I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, it is not. We are not, you are not, they are not. Long negative form: I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, it is not, we are not, you are not, they are not. 2. The short negative form of the verb to be. There are 2 negative contracted forms, except for with I. Be careful to memorize both contracted forms that exist for all subjects, except for the first person singular I, that only has 1 contracted negative form. Long form, short form: I am not, I'm not. You are not, you're not, you aren't. He is not, he's not, he isn't. She is not, she's not, she isn't. It is not, it's not, it isn't. We are not, we're not, we aren't. You are not, you're not, you aren't. They are not, they're not, they aren't. Contraction between the subject personal pronoun and the verb to be: I am not, I'm not. I'm not, you're not, he's not, she's not, it's not, we're not, you're not, they're not. Or contraction between the verb to be and not: they are not, they aren't, but not with I. I'm not does not change. You aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. That's it for today.